Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students of class 7. As we have started chapter exponents, so we have solved many questions regarding exponents, and today another question is in front of you regarding exponents. Question number 6 is here. K simplify and express the result in power notation. It means that you have to simplify at first, then you have to merge the powers. It means you have to not to remove the powers. आपको powers remove नहीं करने. You have to make result in power notation. आपने जो answer देना है वो power notation में ही देना है. So the solution is in front of you. K 4 upon 5 whole power 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5 whole power 3. Look at the first term. K here is 4 upon 5 and next again is 4 upon 5. It means के bases are the same. As I have told you regarding the rule of the same bases, कि if the same bases are in multiplication, then you have to add the powers. If the same bases are in division, then you have to subtract the powers. So here the same bases are in multiplication, it means we have to add the powers. So here is the rule is written regarding this term. Second step, a power 3 multiplied by a power 4 is equals to a power 3 plus 4. It means a power 7. So here power will not be removed. Okay, so power will be added. So because of the same basis and because of the multiplication, so the question is same कि 4 upon 5 whole power 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5 whole power 3. It means कि we have to write base at first. We have to write base first time, or we have to write base only one time. As there are many bases are given in many same bases are given in multiplication, you have to write the base only one time. Then you have to make the power of addition. It means that you have to add the 5 into 3, so it will be 4 upon 5 whole power 8. This is the answer in power notation. This is the result in power notation. So in same way you have to solve the question number 6 completely. There are some division questions, same basis in division, same basis in multiplication. Remaining question you have to solve and share in WhatsApp group. All right, so we are going to wind up this lecture today. We will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.